love's sweet story. It's a song that the angels cannot sing. Oh,